Alright. So, yep. Alright. Alright. So the tank view. You need to be really careful because back in February 2015 I broke this tank lid. Alright. Excuse me. Yeah. Just look at that. I cracked it. Told myself I broke the tank lid. Here we go. See this crack? Look at that. Look at that crack. I'm giving thumbs down to the tank lid since it's cracked. Okay. Alright. Since it's filled up all the way, alright, let's see. Aye. Alright, let's go. Alright, so let's put the tank lid back on. Alright, so next we have to pop. So I'm gonna buy a tank lid for this. Look at that crack. Aye. Where it cracked. Look at that crack. Look at that too. See? Aye. Careful with this. Might spill. Alright, let's spawn a video camera from out here. Alright. Yep, let's do this.
Slurring no more words. Slurring no more words. Slurring no more